Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to achieve perfect 90 in your PTE speaking exam. The question type we are discussing in this video is read aloud. So read aloud is the question type where you're supposed to read out exactly what is right in front of you. So if you can see the screen here, this is the text below, which in 35 seconds you are supposed to read out exactly as clearly as possible and as naturally as possible. This is the status bar which shows your recording, and what you need to take care in such kind of questions is about the three things: your content, your pronunciation, and your fluency. Content is comparatively easy to understand in such questions because content is right in front of you. What you need to make sure is your voice should be very clear and accurate pronunciation so that the system, the computer, can easily understand your language. The computer will try its best to recognize your speech. That is why your word formation, your sentence, everything needs to be very clear and accurate so that the computer can score you maximum in this. The other thing which we need to take care is the pronunciation and the fluency. Now, to understand these both better, let us try to see how English as a language has its own rhythm to it. For example, a simple statement, something like this: a university is a lot more than just classes and exam. University is a concept that offers you and blah blah. So, what you are saying is just in one simple tone. But this is not how an English language sounds. English language has its own rhythm, which we call as the musicality of English. Now, the same sentence, if I record in such a way that the highs and lows of my voice and my tone, the computer records it something like this. So, whenever a question of read aloud comes in your exam, the computer will try to match your highs and lows with the correct highs and lows of the English, and then depending upon how close match it is, it will score you. So, you need to see how low and high your tone sounds like when you speak on this. Similarly, not just a word, the whole sentence has to be stressed differently at different points. For example, if there's a statement like, we don't stress all the words equally because some words are more important. Now, if you think and if you see that there are few words which are more stressed upon, which actually gives out the meaning of the whole text which is right in front of you, we don't stress all the words equally because some words are more important. So the stressing at the right points is very important. And this is what the musicality of English. The other thing, other than stressing at the right point, is the art of assimilations and deletions. So when you phrase and the way you speak, all it takes is to understand that not all the words are to be spaced out equally, to be stressed out equally. For example, the same statement. Instead of saying a university, you can simply club a and university together to form a university. Is a lot more than just classes and exams. So instead of saying and exam, you have clubbed two words together so that your emphasis, your stress is on exams, right? So if you take care of all these particular things, you can actually score very, very good marks in your PTE speaking. You should stress the appropriate words and the sentence stress at the right places. You speak without hesitation, without long pauses. I'm sure you would be able to maximize your score. I wish you all the best.